What's going on, folks? It's your man Jay, and I have a Chromebook. If you guys don't know, I keep a Chromebook, man. I really like. I was. It seems like everything that I said I didn't like, I like it now. You know, when it first hit, I had some problems with it. You know, I was like, it's not worth it. You know, nonetheless, the new Acer ChromeBook. This is one of Acer's latest Chromebooks. This is the 15-inch. Now I got this a long time ago at launch when it first launched. I think it was the beginning of this year or something like that. But I've been rocking with it, and I keep this computer down here by my lounge chair in the living room. This has been fantastic. They've actually done right by us. Google has given us the latest operating system, and if you don't know what this looked like before, it's I hate to say it, but it's looking more like the setup of a Mac. With all the icons in the center here. And this is a touch screen, so the notification area is different now. So when I press this now, you know, the notifications pop right up. Shout out to the Pixel Slate. I'm so getting the Pixel Slate, folks. There's limited quality, it's pre-order, but you know, that's a whole nother video. This is what the notification area looks like right now. So you've got your settings here, you've got lock, unlock, you got your Bluetooth and everything. You got all the notification stuff here like normal, but they didn't used to look like this. And I think this is really nice that they changed this up. It was kind of squared off. Now they have all these little round icons for everything. This is the app tray. And so now you see the app tray is a little bit more full. They kind of spread it out. You can see your applications and everything right here. So it's a good look how they're doing this. I'm really feeling this. And I think this is how it should be actually when it comes to a Chromebook. Now, Chromebooks are, you know, they get kind of crapped on by a lot of people. They used to get crapped on by me. But I found that this Chromebook is perfect for me. It's a 15-inch touchscreen, obviously. They've even improved the camera now. With the camera, you can actually record on the actual camera. Now on this laptop, I don't recall being able to record video, but now when I open the camera app, I can actually record video with the camera app, and I think that's just a huge plus. The option is there, and I think it's hot now. Overall, the computer is a little not like blazing fast, but you can tell that it's some improvements. They pretty much gave it another look. And, you know, Chrome OS now is just like the Chrome OS on all the other devices. Chrome OS was updated, if you don't know, on your computers, like the web browser itself. It's been updated. But this device didn't get it yet for some reason. And I'll admit, it might have gotten it a long time ago. I just don't power this on every day. I'm down here, you know, watching TV. I'm not so much on my Chromebook a lot, but sometimes in between I'll have the Chromebook fired up. This thing is still good though, man. Battery life is just ridiculous still. Everything is good. Let me show you the current OS that I'm on. I'm on 70.0.3538.76. It's the official build for the 64-bit. And it's ready, man. I mean, it's good. Everything is smooth. I don't have any complaints about anything yet on this laptop. I kind of wish that the microphones for the laptop were a little bit better. I'll say that, because when I use this, I normally use an external microphone when I'm doing my recording. But other than that, the wide angle lens up there, the camera needs to be in a really bright setting like this to get the best quality. That I'll admit. It's not the best camera. It is a 720p camera, but it's a wide angle lens. So I'm really feeling that, man. I gotta get this video on top for you so you can see what I'm talking about. The video quality that comes from here is absolutely great, man. So I just want to give you a quick updated video, man, and let you know that this thing has been updated and it is actually really, really good. So it's your man Jay. Chromebook has now been updated to the latest Chrome OS. I'm really feeling the new look, the icons, everything's just pretty much rounded now. And I'm actually using the touchscreen more. Now, this menu used to be all jammed together. It was really small, like in the center, and you know, they weren't really taking advantage of the resolution there. So I like how they kind of got it in here. You know what I'm saying? I got to find a way to get comfortable editing on this thing, and then I'll really be happy with it, because I have the Power Producer right there. I've just yet to really, you know, consider it for serious editing. I just haven't done it yet. I tried it, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, I just haven't really gotten around to taking it serious though. Anyway, it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next video. Check out the wide angle lens on this thing. All right, so here's the wide angle lens on the front camera here. I think it's actually really solid, man. I don't really have a complaint about it at this point in the game. I mean, it is what it is. Most laptops right now don't have high powered cameras. But you can easily add an external camera to this and an external mic. I'm not using an external mic right now just to show you the quality of the microphones, which I told you they might need a little improvement. But with the operating system update, maybe the mics got improved. I don't know. But this is the wide angle lens from the camera. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take care.